My experience with Istueta Roofing was actually very good, very professional from the moment I actually signed with the company throughout the whole progress all the way into the end. I had Peter as one of the project managers and also Adali. He actually was very attentive to any of my needs, any of my concerns, any questions that I have during the project while they were doing it. I honestly wanted to be part of the whole project because I wanted to know exactly what was going on with the roof of my house, exactly the structure, the wood, the type of metal, anything. They work pretty fast. Of course, they also have to wait for the city to actually approve the permits. But other than that, after they were approved, they will come back to my house and keep working on the next stage of the progress of the roofing. Honestly, I think I would give it 10 stars if that's the case, because I understand that there's a lot of companies out here in Miami, but I actually believe that they actually did things in a very professional way. The quality of the product that I received, the metal, is excellent. I have no concerns, no problems or anything like that. I actually like them a lot. It's actually very good. I'm very happy and satisfied with the work that they did in my house. If I have to do a project like this again, I certainly will go ahead and hire them again. Definitely, I would recommend Istueta Roofing to any of my family or friends or anyone that I know. They do an excellent work, very professional, on time, and by the book. And proof of that, it's my house. I actually like it. And I'm a very picky customer. Thank you.